There you have it. Nice hand stamp golf club, fully designed. Zoom in so you guys can see that a bit. Priming the golf club paint fill. Shake it for about 30 seconds. We pre-shook it for 30 seconds already. Take your cap off. Let the gas out by just holding a vertical tip up. One simple press. Now invert it back down. We've already primed the black one, as you can see. Give it 3 presses down. Let the paint start coming down. You should eventually start seeing the paint fill the tip. It can take anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds all the way to a minute to come down. I'm starting to see it happen now. Just keep 3 presses. It'll keep coming out. You should start to see it going all red. So the paint's coming out. They are oil based, and that's what makes it weather resistant. So dab it to get all the oil and pigment out. Get a nice bright color. Nice and bright. Off. Now we're going to color it in. We're going to go red and black for the stars, sort of mixed mash. Here we'll focus in on the coloring in. Draw nice tight circles. Priming the paint pen is fairly easy to do. Do a couple coats to make it nice and even. Do these other stars black. We're gonna go club stamping. We'll go club in black. And red in the stamping. Missed the star. So again, just like the initial tutorial, you should let it dry for about 20 minutes. As you get better, you can go quicker. We're using our alcohol swabs again for this. Remember, latex gloves or nitrile gloves are very, very important. And just quick wipes. Dab off the excess alcohol to prevent too much from being removed. Use 1 swab per color. So we're using this one for the red. Don't worry if it's not perfectly clean yet. It's better to leave it a little bit smudged and let it re-dry. The alcohol will loosen the paint fill. So, and again, this time we'll get the black. Pretty straightforward. A little bit too much alcohol on this. You can dry it off using paper towel. Depending on how wet your alcohol is, that swab is pretty wet. Wipe it off, and again using a brand new one, get the final smudges. Dab off the excess alcohol, like using a cedar plank. And just quickly wipe off the smudges. There you have it. Nice hand stamp golf club, fully designed. Zoom in so you guys can see that a bit. Very easy, very durable. You can see how nice and deep those hand stampings are. Some cheaper hand stamping sets don't achieve the right boldness of the font and a little bit thin. They wear out faster. Clubstamping.com, we offer very high quality hand stamps, best in the business if you will, as well as quality paint fills. They are weather resistant. Obviously if you fill in the numbers on the bottom, they will wear with use, especially on the sand wedge. Anywhere in the back will be good. Again, let it dry for at least a couple of days. It is oil based, so oil takes extremely long to dry. You don't want to be doing this and then going out and playing immediately if you do that bottom number. The back should be okay after a couple hours. The longer you wait, the best. The better result will follow. Again, thanks for tuning in to our sort of brief video tutorial on a nice hand stamp golf club. Happy stamping.